class. Today's class is English. So let's see what you have studied in the previous class. Yes, children, you have learnt all these days, that is S, N, P, T, A, B, M, R, L, O. So today's class you are going to learn the letter C. C says curve. Okay. So, shall we color, children, and make this letter colorful? Yes. See, this is with the help of the curve we are going to write the letter C. Yes. Shall we color? Yes. See, from the top part like this. Okay. Come down. Color like this. Okay. Come down. This is a half curve, right? So this is a letter C. Yes. Shall we color one more letter, children? Yes. Starting from the upper part. Okay. Then coming down like this. This is a curve. With the help of the curve, we are going to write the letter C, right? Yes, you can see here the letter C. It looks colorful. Does it look colorful, children? Yes. Okay. So, the letter C. C says curve. Okay. Looks colorful. Children, now we move on to the words that letter begins with C says curve. Okay. Let's see what all the words that begin with C letter. Yes. This first one, it is coil, children. Can you see the coil? There are different kinds of coils. The coils, this coil, it's used for the mosquito to protect us from the mosquito. So this coil is used, and there are many different coils which are used by the wires also. So we can see this coil that protects us from the mosquito, and it's not very good for health. Okay, should keep it far away. So next it is cock, children. What do I mean by cock? Cock means in Kannada we say it has hunja. Okay, so it is a adult male chicken. Okay, this is cock. Okay, and it is also called as rooster. The cock is also called as rooster. Next it is cage. What do you mean by cage, children? Cage means here you can see one parrot is inside this. Okay, the cage, this is for the birds, and the cage is also made for the animals and also for the persons. Okay, this will be made with the iron rods or with the bars, right? Yes. So this is a cage, children. It can be made with the wires also. Okay, here this cage is meant for the bird. We can see the parrot inside this, right? Next, this one is a coat. Coat means it's a outer garment. Okay, it is a outer cloth that you wear. Okay, yes. Next it is, this is conch. Conch means what it is a shell, children. Okay, the large size of the shell, that is called as conch. Okay, inside this part there will be a snail. Okay, you can see it in the sea. Next it is candle. Why do you use candle? Yes, to get light, right? And it is made up of wax. The candle will be made by wax. And this is a Coconut. Coconut, it is a fruit also. Okay. The outer part will be very hard and inside you can see the coconut with the white color. Right? You can eat it and use to make curry, sweet and all. That is coconut. Next one, it is children, caterpillar. Caterpillar, it is a insect. Right? Caterpillar is a insect. You can see here the green color insect. Later it will, there are many stages which it will change into the butterfly. Okay. So children, today you have learned few words, the letter which begins with C. That is coil, cork, cage, coat, conch, candle, coconut and a caterpillar. We'll move on to our writing part, children. Today which letter we are going to write? That is C. How do you write C? As I told you, you have learned the curves, right? Yes. So we'll use the curve to write the letter C. Okay. See here, starting from the upper part. See here, starting from here. Come down. Okay. This is C. Once again, I am going to write C here. This is a curve, right? This is a curve. So, this letter is C, right? Shall we color or trace on that, children? Yes. See here. C. Can you see? Yes, this is the letter C. We'll trace from the up and the curve come down. This is the letter C. Okay. C. Yes. Now shall we write the cursive letter? Okay. See here. From the down part, go up, come back till down, and this is a curve. Okay, here go up, come back. Okay, this is C says curve. Shall we trace? Yes. See here, from here go up and come down. From down, go up, come back with the same line. Right? Yes. Okay. This is like this. You are going to trace, children. Now again I'll show you how to write. See here, children. We are going to write the capital letter C. From the top red line, come down to the third line. Okay. Curve from the upper part, come down like this till the third line. Okay. This is C. This is C. I'll put the dotted here. You are going to write. Take help of your parents and you are going to trace on this. Okay, you should touch the three lines, 1, 2 and 3. Here I am going to put the 2 dots, right? See here, you are going to write here 2 dots, right? Yes, continue for the full page. Next again, here also we are going to write the capital letter, children. See here. C. From the up, come down. This is C. Right? This is C. Write the full page. Now here, children, we are going to write the cursive letter. That is C says curve. See here. this here you are going to touch only the two lines, children. See here, from the third line go to the second line, make a little bit curve. See here, go up, make a small curve like this, again come down. Okay, see here, go up, come back. This is curve like this. Only two lines. Cursive letter you are going to touch only the two lines, right? Yes, again see, I am going to put the dot like this. Okay, like this. Here I'll put just the two dots, touch those lines and write. Again here also we are going to write the same thing. Yes, from the down go up and come down. Okay, yes, write the full page. Next page, children, I have mentioned the date. According to that you are going to write. Just you are going to recall what you have studied all these days, right? That is, S says S, N says N, P says P, T says T, A says A, B says B, M says M, R says R. You are going to write the full page. Thank you, children.